Hey, what's up? My name's Your Name, and this is the Body-Solid G6B Home Gym, a serious all-in-one strength system that claims to give you full-body muscle-building power in one footprint. But after spending several weeks getting sweaty on it at home, I found some things the marketing doesn't show you. So stick around. We'll dig into the good, the not-so-good, and whether it's actually worth your hard-earned dollars. Body-Solid G6B Home Gym Product Overview. So what are we looking at? This is the Body-Solid G6B Home Gym, manufactured by Body-Solid, a well-known brand in durable home garage gym equipment. It's been on the market for a bit with ongoing versions and is positioned as a high-end home multi-station gym. It features a single selectorized weight stack, 210-pound standard, and multiple workout stations in one machine. Its key selling proposition? Club-quality strength across chest, shoulders, back, legs, abs, everything, all in your home space. If you're a serious fitness enthusiast who doesn't want to piece together a rack plus bench plus cables plus free weights, but does want variety and build quality, this machine is squarely aimed at you. Body-Solid G6B Home Gym Performance. Okay, specs are nice, but how does it feel day to day? I've used this for a bunch of full body sessions, chest and shoulders, lat cool downs, back work, leg curls and extensions, cable work for arms and core. Here's what stood out. Smooth motion. Thanks to its SmoothGlide bearing system TM and quality pulleys and cables, the motion was more polished than cheaper home gyms I've used. The feeling is closer to a commercial gym. That's a real win. Weight stack limitation. The 210-pound stack is decent for many movements, especially for upper body or moderate lower body, but if you're a heavy squatter or leg press monster, though note, no built-in leg press, you might hit a ceiling. Versatility is strong. I appreciated switching between stations quickly. Press arms, pec deck, lat pull down, low pulley, etc. It meant fewer waiting times or needing multiple machines. Features and tech. Let's highlight 3 or 4 standout features and what they mean for you. Biangular press arms. This is Body-Solid's patented system where the press arms guide you through a natural motion while applying resistance from 2 directions. The result? They claim about 25% more muscle interaction. Why you care? It means chest, incline, and shoulder pressing feel more like free weights with a guided safety net. So if you've trained with dumbbells and presses, this gives you a closer feel in one frame. SmoothGlide bearing system and self-aligning leg developer. This ensures leg extensions and curls track smoothly without resistance drop-off at the end of movement. Why you care? A lot of home gyms feel clunky on leg work. This one gives you smooth, consistent resistance so your workout flows better, not just upper body focused. Lifetime warranty, in-home residential use. The machine is marketed with a lifetime warranty on frame, cables, pulleys for residential use. Why you care? Big peace of mind. If you're investing thousands of dollars, knowing it's backed for life within residential use is major. Design and build. Aesthetically and physically, this is a premium piece of equipment. Materials. The main frame is 2x3 11-gauge steel, plus electrostatically applied powder coat finish. Padding, high-density Durafirm pads with lumbar support, comfortable during intense use. Ergonomics, adjustable seats, gas-assist telescopic posts, swivel arms for pec deck, user-friendly adjustments. Visually, it looks like a commercial unit, not a flimsy home version, but that means you need good ceiling height, good stable flooring, and room around it for safe entry and exit. Pros. Excellent build quality and feel, very gym grade. Great versatility, multiple stations, realistic movement paths, one machine. Strong warranty, big plus for long-term investment. Efficient footprint compared to buying multiple separate machines. Cons. It's expensive and heavy, big upfront costs plus installation. Weight stack, 210 pounds might be limiting for advanced lifters specializing in heavy lower body training unless you upgrade. Final verdict. So who is this for and is it worth the money? If you're a fitness-savvy homeowner, aged 20 to 45, who wants to build a serious gym at home without piecing together multiple machines, the Body-Solid G6B is absolutely a strong choice. It gives you high-quality, serious versatility, and long-term durability in one unit. If you're a casual user who only wants to do light workouts once or twice a week, or you have very limited space or a low budget, you might be better off with simpler equipment, bench and dumbbells, and save for later.